Hello everyone, I'm back again with a new concept, and today's concept is number names. So many parents ask me how we can make our kids learn, how we can make our kids thorough with the number names. So here is a short video of the three different games which you can introduce to your kids for the number names. So first of all, I have taken this sheet, A4 sheet, or you can take any colored sheet also. But I have taken this white sheet because A4 colored sheet will distract your kids because of the colors. So just use the white sheet if possible. So I have drawn here a square of 10 by 10, and there I have written the numbers, the number names, the spellings from 1 to 9, and I have jumbled it like 6, 4, 2, 7, 1, 9, 3, 8, 5. So this you have to draw first. So the next one is I have written the names of the numbers here. So I have just taken 5 here, but you have to obviously draw all the 10 number names, and I have made the lines through them because we have to cut each and every letter over here. So I have taken these 5, and the next is a triangle. You can make of any size the triangle. So you have to divide it in 3 parts. First you have to write the number, and then the spelling, and then the quantity. Like if it is 1, then you have to draw 1, and if it is 2, like I have drawn here, so if it is 2, you have to write 2, and then the two quantities, the two dots. So just make sure that you draw the simple ones, the kids don't get distracted. Then the 6, similarly you have to do it for 10. So what I will do now, I will cut each of them. I will cut this part, this part, this part, each part, but don't cut this. This has to be a proper math square. This has to be a proper math square. So I'll just show you how these games look. So I have cut here all the 3 steps. So as you can see, this is as the perfect one. These I have cut with the letters, and the triangle which I have made are here. So this is the first step. The triangle which we have made, I have cut into them 3 parts. So how you will ask your kids to do it? So first they know this number is 1. So you'll ask them to read this aloud. O-N-E 1. And then repeat it for 5 times. O-N-E 1. And the quantity is also 1. And then the next number T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. And then the quantity is 2. So first introduce them with just 3 numbers, that is 1, 2 and 3. And when first introduce them with 3 numbers, that is 1, 2 and 3. And when you see that your kids are learning it properly, and then start with some other word. So when they are thorough with these 2 numbers or one other number, then you can just jumble them the things, jumble them with them. When you get to know that your kids are okay with it, they are fine with the spellings, then you can jumble them all. And then you can ask them to make a triangle. So this will take time. Like first they will see the 1 number, and then they'll look for the ONE1, that is the number name, and then to the quantity. So this way they'll make it. And then number 2, TWO2, and then to the quantity. So this is the first step of introducing number names. Now the second step is the number names which you have written, you have cut them into the parts, into the letters, and you have to ask your kid to make a proper spelling. So if you ask them to make a spelling of 2, so put this number here and ask them to make a spelling of 2. So now they remember that the 2 spelling is TWO2. So here is T, where is W, and O, TWO2. Yes, and then you can ask to make the spelling of 1. O N E1. So before starting with this activity, you have to make sure your kid is comfortable in which cursive writing. Maybe it's cursive writing, small letters, big letters, so you have to write them in those things only. Okay, so this is the next step. Let's go forward with the third step. So the third step is this. When you know that your kid is aware about all the number names from 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 or from 11 to 20, whichever you are introducing them. So make this mat, and in this just jumble the words, jumble the names like 6, 4, 2, 7, 1, 9, 3, 8, 5, and ask them to read the spelling one by one, and they read like SIX 6, and then you have to make sure that they put the right number on the right number name. So the first is SIX 6, so they'll put the 6 here, and then similarly they'll move forward. FOUR 4, so they'll put the 4 number here. You have to make this. I have just made these for examples. So the next is TWO 2. Similarly they'll do all of them and they'll complete it. So these are some hands-on activities for number names which you must try it. I hope you liked all the 3 steps, all the 3 activities for your kids, and at the last you can make your kids to write them in their notebook. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye. Take care.